We got snow last night. I left my cleats in the truck. Gotta go back and get my cleats. But we about to go fishing. Somebody else already out here. Both. So I got this one kind of mid column. I got this one on the bottom, and I got this one between the bottom and the mid. That ain't on demo mode. I'll show you. It ain't demo mode. Let's see if I can get one to eat real quick. See if I can get one to chase me up. Here he comes. Here he comes, and come on. Fish. Chatfish 22 said, swing and a miss. There's some bigger ones down there too. There he is. As soon as I pulled it up. They came in the monitor.
That was awesome.
They don't want it on the bottom. They want it up high.
Yeah, they're at like what?
Like 4 feet. 4 foot. Come up.
Webster Crowley said, was that a crab?
Looks like it, but they ain't. They look like it, but they ain't. They just eat little danks.
Yeah, yours too.
Come on.
So a big one comes in on you.
Yeah, you gonna know. You gonna fucking know it.
There he comes. Another one.
Turn around. Got him too. Oh shit.
Awesome, bro.
Yeah. Got him.
Red's fishing said,
That was dope, bro. That's dope. That's so fucking dope.
Yeah.
First fish of 2025. First fish live scope. Well, mega lived. I'm gonna call it mega lived.
Yeah, bro.
First fish mega lived.
That was awesome.
I'll take it. That was fun. That was fun. I'm back. I'm back.
Yeah, so yeah,
I'm back. Come up.
Webster Crowley said, was that a crab?
Looks like it, but they ain't. They look like it, but they ain't. They just eat little danks.
Yeah, yours too.
Come on. That's a nice mark. Ooh. Eat. Eat it. I don't know what this is, but this is definitely. I don't know what this is, but this is definitely. Dylan! Oh, Dylan! Oh. I need to get this out of here. Oh, it's a big bass. I got a big bass, Dylan! No, I got a pike, Dylan!
Knoxville 45 said, big fish.
First pike through the ice, baby! Let's go!
Shadow 8 said, no. Luxian 851 said, Petrie. Knoxter 45 said, nice. BRX Raleigh Dare said, let's go. Sniffing River X said, nice fish.
Fight?
Yep. Let's go. First pike through the ice.
Hudson 75 said, nice.
That was awesome, guys. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Eat it. That's a fucking shark, dude. What the fuck is on my screen right now?
That's a pike, bro.
That's a pike for sure. You got it or not? Yeah. Nice, Gil. Yeah, the other one had to be a bass. It didn't look long and skinny like a pike. It was thick though, thick and long. First fish of the day.
Streamlabs said, Faucets just subscribed with Twitch Prime.
Appreciate this sub, 2 sucks.
Trim this evil and get it ready for cure. Sweet Spring said, suck me on.
So it's like a nice crappie. Oh, big bluegill. Big old bluegill ate that big minnow, dude. Can I have it back? He wanted that, didn't he? Oh, now you won't spit it out. Dang, it's toast. Got that one though. Just a little bluegill.
Webster Crowley said, the ice cracking on last stream made the phone sound like the screen cracked. Capital 35 said, I'm Texan. Ice fishing is wild. I go only
Huh?
Transducer out.
I think there's like 3 more down there.
Hey, Holden. You.
They don't care. They're gonna keep you.
Yeah, it's not even cold out here. I'm about to just pack the shanty up and fish outside for the rest of the time I'm here.
Shout out to all of y'all today, man. Appreciate y'all for being here. Shout out to True Timber. Shout out to Hummingbird. Summit Fishing. Shout out to Carhartt. Shout out to all of y'all, man. Shout out to all of y'all for being here. Y'all the real ones. I appreciate y'all.